Hey Passo Construction, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I ran across your website here while doing a little bit of research in your area, and I figured I'd shoot you all a short video going over 3 things that you can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or would like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you can take the tips in this video and you can use these for yourself. All I ask is for a little bit of feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks, and the first one is content. And so with content, it is vital because Google wants to see that you're providing value to your readers. And so they look through everything that you can visually see here, as well as what every single photo was saved as before it was uploaded to your website. And so they are also looking for what's called keywords. And so they want to make sure they know who you are, what your business is about, where you're located, so they know who to connect you to whenever your future customers are typing and searching for your services here. A good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on this homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And one example of a keyword is Renovation Company in Washington. And so whenever your future customers are typing this in, there are 2 sections that are going to populate. There is something called the organic listing as well as the Google Map Pack section. And so for this keyword, it starts off with the organic listing and then is quickly interrupted with what's called the Google Map Pack section. And so with the Google Map Pack section, 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. You want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that, 30 to 40% of business. The way that you outdo your competitors here would be to have a Google business profile. With a really fast search, I see that you do have one. So the next one would be to optimize it. So optimizing Google business profiles, mainly you want to make sure it's completely and accurately filled out, consistent with your 5-star reviews, that will really help, and then the most time consuming are those citations. So a citation is your business name, your phone number, and your address if you do have it listed on this profile in your local directories. So that could be Facebook, that could be Yelp, and so you want to outdo your competitors here. That way you are ranking and getting your share of that 30 to 40% of business here. And so if we scroll down, we are back into the organic listing. And so this is where the remaining 60 to 70% of business goes. And this is where your website would be ranking. At the bottom of the page here, we can see there are some ads here. And so it's vital to be on this first page because over 90% of people stay on the first page here. And so if you're not on the first page, you are missing out on some business for yourself. Something that we can do, we can plug in your website into a tool called Ahrefs, where we can take a look at the back end of your website. These ratings represent the authority and the trustworthiness of your website. You have 0 and 3.9. What's making up your ratings are 4 backlinks, and these backlinks are coming from 3 referring domains. So backlinks, this is the last thing I wanted to touch on today. A backlink is one website linking to another one, kind of like a shout out. And you do want to be intentional here because there are high quality backlinks that will boost these ratings, and there are spammy ones that will bring these down. And it's important because you want your ratings higher than your competitors so that you're being boosted above them on that Google search result. But what goes hand in hand with this are keywords. So you want to be intentional with keywords as well so that you're being boosted to the top of that Google search result for what you would actually want to be found for. So your services in your service area would be an example here. Right now you have 0 keywords on your website and 0 monthly website traffic. What's awesome is that we can do the exact same thing with every single one of your competitors. And this was the #1 ranking business for that keyword, so this is who you would need to beat for that one. And we can take a look, their ratings are 4.6 and 7. What's making these up are 54 backlinks coming from 17 referring domains. They have 63 keywords on their website and 42 monthly website traffic. We can also see here that they are running some ads and they're getting some traffic, some separate traffic from their ads as well. What we would want to do for you is we'd want to add those high quality backlinks to your website so that we are boosting your ratings above theirs, so you're outranking this website. And we can actually take a look at every single backlink that your competitor has and link it to your site as well, because if it is working for them to rank, it would also work for you to rank. And then we can take a look at every single keyword that's on their site, see which ones apply to you, make sure that it is on your website and you're ranking for every single one of those keywords, and do a separate search as well to find all of the applicable keywords that your competitors are missing that apply to you. Because the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would convert to your customers there. And I hope that this video was helpful for you. I would love to hear your feedback to find out if it was valuable or not, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.